Okay, this model kit review is of the AH-64A Apache. This is 1/72nd scale model, and it's by Academy. And they've got some nice box art here. We've got some nice pictures of the finished model there. And you could build a longbow version if you wanted with that radar. And another picture there. So let's have a look inside. So we'll look at these sprues here. Okay, so first of all here we've got our body, and these are recess lines with a fair amount of surface detail there. We've got our little tail wheel on there, and fairly well molded, a nice level surface detail. Here we've got our engine exhaust. There's our tail, our little winglets, looks like some pods. Here's our air intakes for the engine. We've got our wheels, and here's our cockpit with some nice detail there. This is the underside of our fuselage. We've got our rails here for our weapons. There's our rocket pods, and there is the camera for underneath. Here are our seats with, unfortunately you can see here the ejector pins pushed out. That's very visible, and there aren't any pilots to cover it. Here's our instrument panel there, and another one there. Okay, over here we have our glass. It's nicely molded. We've got our main rotor and rotor assembly here. Here's our tail rotor, landing gear. This is for the longbow if you want to make that. We've got our main rotor assembly as well. Here's our gun, and here's our control sticks. We've got our rockets, or missiles I guess. Okay, now we're going to have a look at our decals. So we've got some decals here for our instrument panel. That's nice. This looks like an Israeli version. Okay, and then here we've got our instructions. We pulled the cockpit there, put that inside our body, and the fuselage goes together there. And then we've got the camera underneath, and our engines being put together. Those are all then mounted on the helicopter, as well as the tail rotor assembly. We put our gun and landing gear on, and that's mounted underneath. Then we build our rockets, guns there. Here are our missiles, probably the Hellfire missiles, and then we've got our extra longbow radar receiver there. And then these are our pylons for underneath the winglets. We build our main rotor assembly, and then all of that is then attached to the helicopter, and those are options as to how you're gonna load them. Then here's our decal and paint guide, and these are the parts listings here. So well molded. We have some recessed panel lines. We've got some good decals. It'll be a fun little model to build.